Hey, I'm at what's called Misery Bay in Presque Isle Park, Erie, Pennsylvania. And this is the site of the monument to Commodore Oliver Hazard Perry, who, according to Hoax history, had a big battle on Lake Erie with the British and defeated them on September the 10th, 1813. Now, September is the number 9, and the day is 10, so that's your 9-10, which is your 9-1, and then you supply the next one by your interest in it, the story, and hence it becomes 911, a story of death, a story that's changing the environment, and all of it centers around this individual called Commodore Perry. Now, this is a plaque that's in front of the monument at Misery Bay, and it's called Misery Bay because Perry endured hardship here with his men. So I want to draw your attention to the painting that's reproduced and show you some clues. Okay, now the first clue, as I see it, is your eye is drawn to the two men in the corner. And of the two men, the one, which isn't Perry, okay, if you look carefully, as he's so-called pointing, there's no hand, okay? Now that would be his left hand. And remember, the left is usually reserved for treachery. Now, it doesn't mean anybody that's left-handed, they're a treacherous person, no. It just means that the left hand symbolically has been kind of that whole idea of treachery. And so we don't see a hand there. Now, I don't think this is a faded painting. I think that's the way it was done as a clue. Remember, they always have to give you a clue or clues and tell you the truth in plain sight. But it's usually done according to their hoax system. So the fact that he's missing the hand tells you that they're liars, okay? And then notice also how the gun, the rifle, forms there's a 7 with the arm. See the arm and the rifle. There's your 7, or your Zion, your mind weapon, to take you right into the hoax lie system, to let you know that it's all BS. Okay? And notice that the so-called hero, which obviously this is supposed to be Oliver Hazard Perry, that his back is towards you, okay? And he's dressed in blue, okay? And blue is part of the dualistic system, if you want to use colors, blue and red. Blue is your law, okay? And then red is passion, or drawing you into the story. So when you mix the blue and the red, you get purple. So you see the two of them standing there, and then he seems to be pointing off in the distance, which would be to the ships that are off in the distance here, which is basically what they're calling Misery Bay, that they remained here and suffered a harsh winter in the winter of 1813 to 1814. Hence this little spot here is called Misery Bay. Okay, now I'll show you the monument. I've already done a video on that, but I'll show you how close we are to the monument. Okay, there's the monument. Again, the obelisk, which is a symbol of the false god Baal. Okay, the male symbol encased in the circle, or the female, producing demonic power, or a hoax history. And you can see the Roman numerals on the monument. For the year 1813. The so-called Battle of Lake Erie. September the 10th, 1813. Phony battle on Lake Erie.
That over there part of the park? Yeah, it goes all the way around.
Go to the one who is not phony.
And we're going to go.
Go to the one who has all the truth. Go to where his word is. In the Holy Bible, you'll find truth. Thank you for watching.